Today we're going to be showing you how to replace your fan motor, which continuously blows air through your auger tube on your XXL Pro. Let's jump into it. In order to get started, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and something to cut some zip ties and a few extra zip ties laying around. Let's get into it. For the sake of ease, we have decided to put our XXL Pro on its back to show you what's going on underneath. However, you do not need to do this at home. So all you're going to need for this is one long, skinny Phillips head screwdriver. And we're going to start by removing these 4 bottom screws. Also unscrew these 2 on the side. So right here is where you access your fan. There's 4 screws that we're going to be undoing. So here are the 4 screws. These other 2 are kind of hard to get if you don't have a long screwdriver, but you should be able to go right up in. So you're going to want to cut off these 2 zip ties here very carefully. Once your zip ties are cut, you're good to disconnect and pull out your fan. Once you have your fan out, repeat the steps in reverse order to install your new one. Something helpful to know is that all of the connectors are labeled with letters, so we just have to match up C back onto the main controller. After you've got your fan connected, you can take it, line it back up with the screw holes, and then start to thread your fan back in. Once your fan is in place and screwed in, you're ready to put your plate back on. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you guys as you've replaced your fan motor for your XXL Pro. If you have any additional questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer service helpline.